Alright. First of all, let's get one thing perfectly clear. This is the fun video for the day. If you're watching this first, there's another video coming that goes in some pretty serious shit. So we're having a fun video today and a serious shit video. I was the other day I watched PewDiePie. PewDiePie was making fun of the flat earthers. I thought it was funny. And I suggested there was a video that I thought was interesting. Right? I wanted to hear what was said in this video. Went to the video, and at first I was confused. I didn't know what was going on. I was like, what is this? And then everything kind of clicked in my head, and it dawned on me what I was watching. And then I started to record this.
Fucking mind, like she switching up her morals to be about that fucking life. The same hoes that she be dissing be the ones you want a wife. Type to make it nasty, type to hold it down and right. Back that ass up something vicious, juvenile, 99.
Alright. Clearly it's a rap song. There's a lot of cussing. Right? But what you might notice, or what you might not notice, is that it's a rap song. Do you notice anything else about it? Right?
You could take your last 1,000, flip it over 20 times. Nothing like the girl you keep around and tell them lies. Cheat on you with the basketball player. Hope that she Kim Kardashian her way up.
It's pretty sexy, right? I mean, we're all noticing that's pretty sexy, right? That's pretty sexy, right? Has anybody noticed anything else interesting about this video?
Don't know the difference between a touchdown and a layup. Got you on Viagra in order you to stay up. Cheats on you. I hope she cheats on you.
I hope she cheats on you. Man. Can't you have us break up in a nicer way than that? Shit. Like, what the fuck? Anybody catch it yet? Has anybody noticed that this is an advertisement?
I hope she cheats on you. Cause nothing's more loyal than get the love from me.
Anybody notice this is an ad? Has anybody seen a couple times that I've swiped the mouse over the screen just to bring everything up so that you can see another interesting factoid? I'm going to do it again here pretty soon. We'll see if you notice.
Don't lie to me.
Wait. Before we get to the next part. This chorus is initially what shocked me to the point where I needed to record this.
You love ratchet pussy.
Alright. So I'm pretty with it. But Ratchet Pussy was a new one to me. I hadn't heard Ratchet Pussy before. So of course, me being a smart white man, I go to Urban Dictionary, where you find out what things really fucking mean, right? Ratchet pussy, the top definition. The word ratchet describes something that is dirty, unattractive, and generally unclassy. It can also be used to mean ghetto. That being said, ratchet pussy usually is a pretty chick who guys thirst over only to find out that her pussy isn't all that, due to how many guys easily got that pussy with small bribes, i.e. weed, drinks, cash, jewelry, sneakers. No fucking shit, it says sneakers. Or who just fucked guys for free on the low and then get dissed after that. Mark! Yo son, I'm trying to fuck Angie Badass, fuck yo! Jason. I don't know why. Word I can't say because some of you can't handle it. That's ratchet pussy. I know mad people that I can't refer to in this manner because some people can't just take adult language, that fuck that hoe. You can clearly tell that was written by a black dude. Just saying. You can clearly tell this one was written by a white guy. Just saying. Definition 2. Ratchet pussy. The term used when lads are drunk at a pub looking for some hot chicks. Hey Fred, look at that fine ratchet pussy over there. Damn George, you're right. So fucking good ratchet pussy. So fucking good, ratchet pussy. Yo, son, I'm trying to fuck Angie Badass. Fuck yo. I love Urban Dictionary. I don't know why. That's ratchet pussy. Yo, son, I'm trying to fuck Angie Badass. Fuck yo. It actually says that. Yo, son, I'm trying to fuck Angie Badass. I'd show you, but I can't put it on the screen because some of you might explode. Yo, son, I'm trying to fuck Angie Badass. Fuck yo. Oh, God, we're watching a video. Hold up. Yeah, let's go.
You ain't got to lie to me. You love ratchet pussy. Yeah, don't lie to me. You love ratchet pussy.
Man, I can't lie to you. I would totally, if all it cost me was a pair of sneakers, shit. That's cheap.
You ain't got to lie to me.
It's nice. I like that. That's good direction right there with the cat. That was fucking sweet. Have you noticed yet? Did you see it when I swiped the mouse? Couldn't skip it. It's like 3-minute fucking non-skippable slutty rap video. It's an advertisement. It was the whole video. I ain't lying.
Awesome. I see you have somebody that's into science now, so now we could talk about
That's me.
Couldn't skip it. I don't know how much that got them, but there you go, that channel. And it was worth it too. EJ is a bad motherfucker. If you had a chance to watch that video, you should check it out. But it's I was like, what the fuck am I watching? And I'm like, I can't believe I can't skip it. It's like a 2-minute 46-second unskippable slutty rap. You can't lie to me. You know you love you some ratchet pussy. Yo, son. Trying to fuck Angie. Fuck yo. What is that line again? Hold up. Angie Badass. Fuck yo. Yo, son. Trying to fuck Angie Badass. Fuck yo. Oh, I love that line. I'm never going to remember it well, and that sucks. Yo, son. Trying to fuck Angie Badass. Fuck yo. Oh, what a great line. Just fantastic. God, that made me laugh so hard. I mean, I'm sitting there just watching. My jaw immediately, because it's like, I clicked the fucking link, right? I always tab up. So, new tab, right? Click to it. And it says up in the top corner, you know, where the title is, it says Ratchet Pussy. And I'm like, I mean, the S's were dollar signs or whatever the fuck, you know. It didn't say Ratchet Pussy. Because you can't put that on YouTube. But then I look at the fucking video screen and it says Ratchet Pussy. Full on Ratchet Pussy, big pink letters. And I'm like, did I click the wrong link? And I look at the title and I'm like, Flat Earther. And I'm like, what? And it's going into the song and I'm like, what the fuck is this? And I like swipe my mouse and it pops up the play bar, which is gold, which I know means that's a commercial. I know what I'm doing. So I see that and I'm like, this is an ad. And I'm like, I can't skip it. This is an ad. I can't skip it. I'm like, and I'm like, wait a minute. So I look in the corner and it says it's an ad. Winter, whatever the fuck her name is. And I'm like, and it just keeps playing and I'm like, it's the whole fucking song. I had to record it and share with you guys. Man, if there's any reason to just fucking turn on the commercials, it's because every once in a while you get a fucking doozy, and it's worth it. They're great. Some of them are so good. Ratchet Pussy. So now we know. We know what Ratchet Pussy is. And we know we can't lie about how much we love it. Yo, son, trying to fuck Angie Badass, fuck yo. This used to be me, a sad, sad puppy. No food in the fridge, holes in my pillowcase, and all out of... Recently, things have been going great. You all have helped me out a lot. Now I have a fridge full of takeout, new pillowcases, and let's be honest, I'm never out of... But the reason that things have changed around for me like that is because I've had a lot of pressure taken off of me for buying stuff for making videos for you guys. You guys helped me buy a new capture box when my old one broke. You helped me buy a new PC when the other one turned into poop. And you helped me get to Perfect Circle concerts so that I could share that experiences with you guys. Recently I've kind of had to change the way I do things, but I found another way. You can find me on Maker's Support. I have a link in the description, and if you'd like to donate money to keep this sort of thing going, then that's where you can do it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I hope you have fun. Bye.